What if I told you most people will stay broke in 2026? Not because they don't earn money, but because they don't follow simple money habits. If you want financial freedom, early retirement, or just less stress about money, this video is for you. Let's talk about 7 powerful money habits that can change your financial life. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, before you spend on shopping, pay yourself first. Save at least 20% of your income immediately when you get paid. Automate it. Move it to savings or investments. Rich people save first. Poor people spend first. Habit 2. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad. But credit card debt with high interest? That's dangerous. If you are paying 20% interest, you are working for the bank. Focus on clearing high-interest debt fast. Debt freedom equals mental freedom. Habit 3. Invest early and consistently. Don't wait to become rich before investing. Start small. Even $100 per month matters. Use index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts like a 401k. Time in the market is more powerful than timing the market. Consistency beats intelligence. Habit 4. Increase your income. Saving is important, but increasing income is powerful. Learn new skills. Start a side hustle. Do freelancing. Start YouTube automation. One income is risky. Multiple income streams create security. Habit 5. Track your money. If you don't track your money disappears. Know where every dollar goes. Use budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets. What gets measured improves. Habit 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When salary increases, don't increase expenses immediately. Most people upgrade their lifestyle. Rich people upgrade their investments. Live below your means. Freedom feels better than showing off. Habit 7. Think long term. Wealth is not built in 30 days. It takes discipline, patience, consistency. Stop chasing quick money. Start building real assets. Think 5 years ahead, not 5 days. Ending 340 to 4 young. If you follow these 7 habits consistently, your future self will thank you. Money is not about luck. It's about habits. Start today. Small steps, big results. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more finance and success tips.